Welcome to Don Carinderia series. Today we're gonna be cooking Ginisang Ampalaya. I know for a fact that this fruit, yes, it is a fruit, is not a fan favorite, but I love it, so let's get down to business. We will be doing a lot of slicing, so I'm sharpening my knife again. It's really good to invest in a knife sharpener instead of buying new knife. I've had this Brabantia chef knife for more than 10 years now and it's pretty durable. Let's continue with our food preparation. Let us mince some garlic. Do you miss my knock-knock jokes? Here's one for you. Knock knock, who's there? Garlic, garlic who? Garlic lang ako sa inyo at ako'y niloko mo. Wala ring mangyayari. Next thing we're gonna prepare is the garlic's best friend, the onion. For this recipe, we're gonna dice 1 medium onion. This is why I love to sharpen my knife beforehand because as you see, it's easy to slice and dice anything. Here's the start of the dish, the humble ampalaya, in English, bitter gourd. We'll be cleaning our ampalaya first. What I normally do is I slice them up into 5 to 6 pieces and then I slice it in half. And with the use of a spoon, I scoop out the seeds and the pith. Once you're done with the cleanup, it's time to slice them thinly. Some people would soak the ampalaya slices in a bowl of salted water to take out the bitterness, but I don't do that. I like the natural taste of the ampalaya. Quick shout out to all the ampalaya fans out there. Next, we're gonna slice some tomatoes. I think I used about 3 or 4 tomatoes here. I think we're done with the ingredients, so mise en place, check. Let's start cooking! On medium heat, saute your onions first. Once translucent, add your minced garlic. Please support my family and friends' YouTube channels: Angela Balan, Sherilyn Vlogs, My Diary, Seafarer Joanna, and lastly, Donny Ray Cabral Official. This time, I'm adding the pork. This is half a kilo of ground pork. Season your pork with salt and pepper. Continue cooking your ground pork until you don't see any more redness. Next, we'll be adding our tomatoes. I want some sauce in my Ginisang Ampalaya, so I'm adding some water. This will help to cook your ground pork as well. Bring to a boil, then simmer. This is now the best time to add your ampalaya, the star of the show. I want the texture to be crunchy, so we'll only be cooking this for a few minutes. More shoutouts to my content creator friends. Sembran Sisters Venture, Joanna P, Miss Levy AJ, Arlene BE, and lastly, ICM. To complete our dish, we'll be adding 2 beaten eggs. Don't mix your eggs yet, let it curdle a bit. Mix everything together. Always taste your food before serving. You may need to add more salt, more ground pepper, or for that umami kick, you may want to add some fish sauce. Get your dinner plates ready, guys! Enjoy your perfectly splendid Ginisang Ampalaya. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.